This artist is known for drawing realistic eye makeup looks on her arm. This trend has been growing up, and now we have so many artists in all platforms of social media showing us their talent. The drawing of delicate strokes and detailed techniques result in feathered brows and fluffy lashes. Using bold and shiny shadows brings all the fun together, and it actually popped the looks. This is a sky-inspired arm makeup art, and it looks stunning. The artist starts from the eyebrows, then continues with the eyelid and finishes with eyelashes. She's using all the makeup products such as foundation, eyebrow pen, eyebrow shades, and concealer. This is a very cool eye look using a lot of glitter. Always preparing the base with some foundation. This will give the feeling like working on real eyes. Cut crease look is always a favorite, something we all in some way like. Arm makeup art is really satisfying to watch too. It's simply something we find pretty and very detailed. The shinier, the better. This gorgeous eye makeup look is getting us inspired. This brilliant idea of making makeup art in arm will also help you practicing if you want to be a makeup artist. This blue shade is looking so good. Bravo to the artist, and keep up with sharing the talent.